Mike Hughes here. I'm at VideoRay and VideoRay.com, and Rob is here, is going to show me a little bit about some new products we have. I think it's okay if you don't have the mask on. I just have to have my mask on, I guess.
I know, we'll better be safe than sorry.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, no worries. So, welcome. So basically in VideoRay, we have our two mission specialists here, the Defender and the Pro 5, the smaller vehicle.
Okay.
Clone control panel for both. The exciting things we're doing this year is we're actually starting to move away from the turning gauge and umbilical, so we're putting batteries on the vehicle. Mm-hmm. We have a smaller reel as well, which allows you to have a greater range with a smaller cable. That makes it a lot easier to manage on deeper water, on deeper dives. Mm-hmm. There you can see the battery packs. The batteries just clip into the bottom of the vehicle, into these little squares here. 90-degree rotation fixes the batteries. With the lithium ions, you should be getting about 4.5 to 5 hours of duration. With the nickel metal hydride, it's about an hour and a half, which is quite often that's enough for most dives.
And then the smaller unit over here is...
So this is our Pro 5. This is the basic unit, very popular with a lot of search and rescue organisations. It's very lightweight, portable, uses the same components as its bigger brother, the Defender, in thrusters, in camera, the LEDs and everything. Okay. So for them it's a good entry into the higher end of the inspection vehicle market. And they can upgrade later on when they have a little bit more money, a few more grants, to the Defender, which is a much more capable platform.
Cool.
So both systems are good to 300 meters. They come with 500 meters of tether maximum. We sell in 3 different lengths, 300, 140, and you can mix and match to get what you need. Mm-hmm. The advantage of both systems is they have the sonar on them, so those really are your eyes in the water. This one's actually a dual frequency Blueprint 750 1200. So 750 in the low frequency and 1200 in the higher frequency. Low frequency will get you out to about 300 yards, and the high frequency from 100 yards in.
Wow, that's quite
right down to about 6 inches, and the quality of these sonars is so good that you really get to see high detail on whatever it is you're looking at.
Cool. And if they want more information, we'll just go to
VideoRay.com.
VideoRay.com. Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the rest of the show.